Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. So, something a little bit different, obviously, as you can see for the last two videos. This is a different angle, and in a completely different room in my place. Yeah, obviously I'm in the kitchen at the moment, so, have I got enough water in there? No, I'm going to need to fill up on that. So, I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I'll do a syrup, so I'm going to do a sugar syrup. Obviously quite a lot of cocktails nowadays require you to have sugar syrup, obviously espresso martini being one of them, and also the old fashioned. So obviously my past two videos use sugar syrup. Obviously I didn't use sugar syrup in my espresso martini video because I personally don't like using it, but it all depends down on the person. If they like more sugar in their coffee, add more sugar. But obviously in old fashioned it's a standard thing. You can either use a sugar cube or sugar syrup. Personally I like using sugar syrup. So today I'm doing a Muscovado, I think I'm saying that right, sugar syrup. That's the sugar that I can find in the house. So all it is equal parts sugar and equal parts boiling water. So I will bring you back once my kettle has boiled. Yep, so my kettle's finally boiled. For you guys it's about 2 seconds. For me it's about 10 minutes because I stupidly forgot to switch my kettle on at the mains. So I was standing here for about 8.5 minutes. Thinking it's boiling, but it's not. It was off at the mains, so that was a little bit of stupidity on my part. So like I said, it is literally equal parts sugar. I'm going to use, you know what, I'm going to use all of this today. Equal parts sugar and, just realised you couldn't see me then. Equal parts sugar and equal parts boiling water. Obviously you can do it as a 2-to-1, so you can go higher on the sugar or lower on the sugar and more water, depending on how sweet you want it. But me personally, I prefer to do equal parts because I don't like it too sweet. I don't like it too watery, basically. So my sugar syrup is obviously going to be a little bit darker than your guys' sugar syrup. It depends on what sugar you use. You could use like a light brown sugar. Well, mine's a rich light brown sugar, but obviously, as you can see, it's a little bit darker than what. To be fair, it's actually a lot darker than what I was expecting it to be. So I am actually going to add some more water into mine. And obviously you just stir it until the sugar's dissolved. Then you can either, is that all dissolved? Yeah, perfect. So now you can either keep it in the container what you stirred, or you can go do like what I did. If you're in the UK, you can get these from the range. I think they're about $1.99, $2.99, something like that. Then all you do, obviously without spilling it, pour it all into the container. Obviously leave the lid open. And I don't think all of this is going to fit in here. Yeah, that's not all going to fit in there. So now all you do is just let that sit in there. Wait for it to cool. Then you can use it. Cool. That's sugar syrup for you. Nice and easy.